you want to eat more healthier, you want to cut back on sugar, you want to cut back on salt, you want to cut back on your meat, because my channel is not just for vegans, but for people who want to try a vegan recipe with a Caribbean slant. Well, guess what? I am here to guide you. Guys, and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. Now, just in case you've never seen me before, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum, and I am here to guide you through the complicated world of veganism. Now, yes, I know you want to eat more healthier, you want to cut back on sugar, you want to cut back on salt, you want to cut back on your meat, because my channel is not just for vegans, but for people who want to try a vegan recipe with a Caribbean slant. Well, guess what? I am here to guide you. But I also share with you my musical journey, because I am a singer and a songwriter, and of course if you look on my channel you see music, and it all just comes together. Food and music, whoa. I also do collaborations where I meet up with like-minded people. So recently the guy JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum met up with another guy called Mazz Naturals, who also offers on her channel skincare, health and fitness. Let me show you a little bit of what happened when we met up. Look how beautiful Mazz looks there, right? Look. So come in. Now I'm going to just cook this like I would cook a meat dish, and hopefully Mazz will like it. Excited. Tell me a bit about your channel. What do you do?
Well, I do talk about locks.
Yeah.
All things locks. I talk a bit about my faith as well. I'm a Christian. And I do skincare and vlogs.
And I was going to ask you, where do you get your rosemary from? As you know, I've got aloe vera myself, but where do you get the rosemary?
The rosemary, my neighbour's garden.
Oh.
My neighbour is so lovely. She always puts the aloe vera over my fence.
But you can stay on my channel and look back and see what happened when she came to my channel, where we guided you all with all things food and all things hair. We had a fantastic day. So look out for more episodes of myself, JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum, and the wonderful Mazz Naturals. So not only on my channel here, JB Rose Singing Vegan Mum, do I offer you music, food. I've also just completed a wonderful ebook, again, to demystify the whole vegan challenges that you are having. So listen, go over to my website, www.jbrose.co.uk shop, and you will see my vegan ebook, which has lovely food and Caribbean recipes just for you to try. Now that's your call for action, but also while you're there, I'm going to be doing a little bit of a prize draw. Send me an email, info@jbrose.co.uk. I have a bonus gift for you of 4 new recipes that I have just completed, and it will be for you if you download my ebook and also send me your email address. Now if you've already downloaded my ebook, you can still get those 4 extra recipes if you send me your email address at info@jbrose.co.uk. So now people always ask me, JB, what do you eat in the week? What do you eat? Well, at the moment, I'm really into salads. You know, as they say, eat the rainbow. I made rice and peas for my dad. It's Sunday, and I just remembered I've left it on the fire. I don't want it to burn. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to come back. Oh my God, what's happened? Oh, that's fine. That is my quinoa, my rice and peas quinoa. And I've switched it off. So I'm a little bit out of breath. I don't know why. I was just a stairs down, a little bit of a stairs. So I've been making sure I eat the rainbow, especially at lunchtime. I've been eating lots and lots of salads. For example, I made this wonderful plantain and olive salad. It was delicious. And also I've been really getting into the dressing. And the dressings is often really easy. So my dressing was vinaigrette, some olive oil, soy sauce, black pepper, mustard, mix it all together with herbs. I put it over my plantain and olive salad. Delicious. So that was one salad I made this week. And then for my kids, they love my spaghetti bolognese. But I also always make sure the pasta is whole wheat. And then the bolognese, I use lentils, green lentils, rather than meat substitutes and that kind of thing, because I'm actually trying to use less soya. I used to make my bolognese with soya, but now my boys love the lentils, the green lentils. It tastes just as good. So that's 2 meals that I made this week. As I said, I'm really into the salad, so I made this beautiful vegetable stir fry using green beans. I also discovered that green beans, especially if you suffer from bloatedness, which I do often, my stomach really just blows up even if I've even eaten something very, very small. Green beans are really, really good for that. So I made a green bean salad this week. Check it out. Doesn't that look so good? It's gorgeous, isn't it? And it tasted delicious. Again, lovely simple salad dressing. This one I added lemon. It's back to school for the kids. At the moment, my kids are in this world where rice is boring, so I really try to do whatever I can to ramp up the flavour. So I added mushrooms and garlic and seasonal, and I made this lovely rice with some plantain and some vegetables. Really, really, really nice. I did add a vegan sausage with it for the boys, because sometimes in the week, sometimes you haven't got time to make a sausage from scratch. I get it. So I added that to it as well. And then one of my favorites this week, I made this beautiful beetroot and bean salad. It was lovely, especially the tahini sauce, and it was gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. As you can see with all the recipes I've mentioned so far, all of them have lots and lots of colour, and it's fresh. Listen, I do also understand that buying organic sometimes can be very, very, very expensive. So I also suggest that if you can't afford the organic versions of everything, just to wash your fruit and veg really, really well. And if you use bicarbonate of soda, it gets rid of all the pesticides that are often sprayed on these things. So you can use any one of those, vinegar, bicarbonate of soda or lemon, just to wash off anything that might be a bit nasty. And finally, I want to show you my mushroom salad I made. This was gorgeous with tahini sauce. Delicious. So guys, that was my week of what I ate and what the kids ate as well. And I just thought I'd give you some ideas. You can try them all out. I'm here to guide you. I'm here to offer you different ideas for your vegan and your health challenges. So guys, listen, I'm going to be back next week in the kitchen. At the moment, I'm also recording lots and lots of music. La 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 la. I don't know why I did the scale. I don't know why am I doing the scale? La 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 la. So look out for new music. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. If you try my vegan recipes, go over to my website and download my ebook. Go over to my website and see what's going on with my music. You'll feel so much better that you try them all. Every day you'll feel a little bit better because you'll be looking after your body, your mind and your spirit. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel right here. Look out for more exciting content. I will continue to guide you with vegan food, with wonderful music, with wonderful guests. Look out, it's going to be really, really interesting the next few months. You are going to love it. So for healthy vegan options, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.